Hey guys, wagwan, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be making some Jamaican style brown stew chicken. So if you're new here, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that share button, and hit that subscribe button as well. Turn your notification bell on so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. So right here I have my chicken already cleaned up and cut up in my desired size. And remember, everyone is different. Some people like theirs cut really small and some like it medium. For my legs, I usually cut them in two, but I didn't because these legs were small and that would only mean that someone would get just bone. So I decided to do the whole leg. Yeah. All right, so now I'm gonna rinse it with some vinegar and some lemon juice. So now that my chicken is properly cleaned, I have some thyme, some rosemary, sage, Scotch bonnet pepper, and I'm going to add my powdered seasoning, which I will put in my description box down below. I am also going to add 2 tablespoons of browning, and your browning all depending on the amount of chicken that you're seasoning. So I'm just gonna combine everything and just leave this to marinate overnight. So guys, it's the next day. I have my pot already heated. I'm just gonna add a small amount of oil, and then I'm gonna add all my chicken, and I'm just gonna cover that for 10 minutes and allow it to simmer and produce its own liquid. And before I cover my pot, I'm going to add 2 pieces of garlic. This is going to add some extra flavor to my brown stew. So it's already 5 minutes in and it's already producing its own liquid. Now I'm just going to cover it for another 5 minutes, and then I'm going to add my carrots, my scallion, onions, and my Scotch bonnet pepper. So my chicken is almost ready. I'm just going to add a cup of water, and then I'm going to add my bell peppers, and I'm going to allow this to cook down to a gravy-like consistency, and then I'm going to turn it off. So there you have it, my brown stew chicken is about done. If you are watching this video and you are non-Jamaican, let me know in the comment section if you're gonna try this dish. And to all my Jamaicans, thank you so much for watching. I know we all have our different ways of cooking. This is just my way of making brown stew chicken. Let me know in the comment section if this is how you make it. And if you are watching this video and you still haven't subscribed as yet, please go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and turn your notification bell on so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. And also don't forget to check out my playlist. I created different types of playlists to suit your need, so just run over there and check it out and see if you find any recipe that you're interested in. Alright, thank you for watching. Until my next video, stay safe and don't forget to show some love. Alright guys, bye.